Welcome! If you want to change theme of your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, at first you have to open the settings, and next you have to move simply to the search pool and type themes. We have to move for the Galaxy themes. We have to go for the themes right here in the corner, and if you want to search something, click here and of course type whatever you want. I will go for simple Android stock theme. Click here. Okay, this one is paid, so I want to get the free one, top 3. Okay, we don't have something like the Android, so just close it and take a look what we have here actually. Whatever what is free. Okay, this one is animated and it looks really cool. So let's get this one for example. Click download. Then tap apply. Okay, and as you can see our theme has changed. It looks really nice. The icons are really cute. And let's try and check what we have on the lock screen. And yeah, this one is animated definitely. So as you can see, that's how we can change the theme of your device in Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!